The quality of the keyword research you do prior to your search campaigns will make or break your campaign performance. In this video, we're going to do a keyword research so you can run a Google Ads search campaign like a pro. Before we do that, you need to understand the different match types Google has to offer. We have broad match, we have phrase match, and we have an exact match. If I have the keyword furniture store and use it as a broad match, this keyword might be triggered on searches like home decor, cream colored leather sectional. You also need to understand a search term is what users type into Google, but a search keyword is what we set into Google Ads Manager to show our ads to people. And again, if you use broad match keyword, our keyword will be triggered if a user searches something that relates to our keyword, but not necessarily the exact same thing. So I would not recommend using a broad match keyword if you don't have a big budget. If you use a phrase match but using the quotation marks before and after your keyword will be triggered on searches that include the meaning of your keyword. In our example, we use furniture store with the quotation marks to make it a phrase match. Our ads will show up to search terms like cheap furniture stores, living room furniture deals. What store is the best place to find a bedroom dresser? If you use an exact match type by using the brackets before and after your keyword, your keywords will be triggered by the search terms that has the exact same meaning of your keyword. For instance, furniture store and home furnishing store, they have the same meaning, so those search terms will be triggering our keyword furniture store. Even though furniture store and home furnishing store are two separate search terms, they have the exact same meaning. Now you know all the match types that Google has to offer. Now it is time to do a proper keyword research. Let's dive in. First, navigate to tools on the left hand side and then click on planning. Then click on keyword planner. Here we want to click on search volume and forecast. Now we want to put the keywords we want to target or see the forecast. First thing I would do is to go to client's website and look at the services they have to offer. Say this is the client's website and they do residential cleaning and commercial cleaning. So my first keywords are already there. I will put residential cleaning, commercial cleaning, and let's go back. I will click on the residential cleaning and see all the type of services they offer. Professional residential cleaning, I will copy this and put as a keyword. Okay, now we have other type of services we can target. We have the general cleaning and we have end of lease cleaning. But this has a separate meaning. So I would not put this in the same ad group, but I still want to see the search volume on the existing campaign. Let's click on the general cleaning and see what we can find. So we have a good idea of the residential cleaning. Now we can put in apartment cleaning, room cleaning, home cleaning, and people will search those specific terms when we are targeting. And now let's go back and see the commercial cleaning and let's find some keywords from there. Professional commercial cleaning, and I want to use these ones as well. Maybe these go to separate ad groups. Maybe we can use dynamic keyword insertion. If you don't know those meanings, don't worry, I will explain it later. I will put Melbourne commercial cleaning and Melbourne residential cleaning. So this is also how people search. And I will get started. Now see all the keywords, how people search and the search volumes. So this might look confusing, don't worry. I will show one thing. On the left hand side, as you guys can see, that is set to Australia. I want to change this to Melbourne since they're only servicing Melbourne and I want to see the Melbourne numbers. I only target Melbourne now. Now we want to look at several things. We have the keywords here. We have average monthly searches. This is really important. This will show you how you want to structure your campaigns. Secondly, I want to look at top of page bid and top of page bid high range and low range. So we can see on the top of page bid low range on a good day, if we are really lucky, we show up on the first 4 results, ad results. This on the high end, if it is really competitive and if you want to get one of the absolute top positions on a really competitive day. This shows us what we're going to pay per click on a bad day and on a good day on a really competitive day. So this gives us a good idea and how we want to structure. I already have a great idea how I want to structure. All right, how I would structure this campaign. So I would have 3 campaigns. One campaign will be commercial cleaning, and underneath that, on top of my head, I'm looking at, okay, I want to have separate ad groups for medical centers, gym cleaning, and retail cleaning. But if you look at the average monthly searches, guys, they don't have enough monthly searches for me to break it down. You can still break it down, but it's not going to get enough spend, and it's an unnecessary work for you to separate them into different ad groups. 10 monthly clicks, so you're not going to spend a lot here. And also we have gym cleaning, 50 monthly searches. You're not going to get enough cleaning here. So medical centers have huge monthly search, but it's not medical center cleaning. Keep that in mind. That's why I would first I would separate ad groups like that to get hyper specific ad copy for those specific keywords and ad groups. But now looking at this, I wouldn't do that. The reason being, as I said, there's not enough search volume for those keywords. I will have one commercial cleaning ad group underneath the commercial cleaning campaign and one commercial cleaning Melbourne ad group. So this will include everything related to Melbourne and the suburbs. All right, now let's move on to the other campaign. The other campaign will be residential cleaning. Under the residential cleaning, I would put a residential cleaning ad group. After that, I will put residential cleaning for homes. I would put a residential cleaning for apartments. And I would put one more ad group, which is going to be room cleaning, which is also included in the residential cleaning. And I will have another campaign, which is going to be end of lease cleaning. That is a really competitive campaign, so I want to control the budget on that one and have a specific ad copy for the end of lease cleaning campaign. So this is how you do it. And I will show you one more thing. If you don't want to enter those keywords one by one, you can also do your keyword research just like this. On the left hand side, we're going to go to Keyword Planner again. We're going to click on Discover New Keywords. I'm going to come here, grab the URL of the website that I want to target, which is the client. I will say start with a website, and this is gonna look at the website, and I will exclude Australia. I will only put Melbourne, which makes sense in our case. I'll say save, get results, and now it will scan the website, and I'll say get results again. All right, now it is giving us all the keyword ideas that we can do. Cleaning services, Melbourne, cleaning services, deep cleaning services, and we can all see all type of keywords that we haven't thought of. So having structuring like that is good, but I would definitely suggest doing this on top of the one that we just went over. So using the match types, it is up to you, but I would start with exact match and phrase match if I have a budget issue. And if the client has been running the ads for a long time and they have a huge budget, okay, you can use a broad match, but you have to be careful on negativing those keywords out. And I have a completely free Google Ads course that you can watch on my YouTube channel as well, and I will link it down below. See you in the next one, guys.